Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we will learn an important trick on converting numbers into percentage. Sometimes what happens whenever we have a numbers, we can see here we have a certain numbers, and if I select these numbers and I convert into the percentage in the top, we have a percentage sign. It will give me answer in such a way which is incorrect. In order to solve this issue and to get the exact percentage number, how we can do that? So what we have to do is we have to add 100 in the another column and just click on select this 100 and click copy, control C. Post copying this, select all the data. Post selecting all the data, press alt control alt V. Post doing that, you can find an option which is known as divide here. If you choose this, you can see here our numbers got changed, and now again we can convert it to percentage. Yes, we got our answer correctly, and you can delete this 100 also. It will not give you any dent. So in this way you can convert the numbers directly into percentage with the help of a small trick. Still have any doubt, let me know guys, I will definitely help you out. And also check out our playlist, you will find multiple videos that will help you in cracking interviews related to trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, MS Excel dashboard reports. Don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.